How to fix Telegram notification on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram notification on Android phone. First open Telegram and here go to settings and then go to this one, notifications and sounds, and as you see here you can manage some notifications. Here is it, and if that doesn't fix your problem, click here reset all notifications and click reset. And if that doesn't fix it, go to settings and go to apps and then apps again, and here type Telegram and click on it, and now click notifications, and as you see here you can manage any type of notification you want, and just click this one here and allow it. Now allow all of those here, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.